have the hiccups.
And now they're gone, of course.
No.
That
There
you can
you go.
take me with the hiccups.
Just wait. I don't like the hiccups.
I don't like them either. Why? That's it.
My hiccups hurt.
These hiccups are leaving town right now.
No.
Ew. Let's do those hiccups here now.
Don't.
God!
Ashlyn, I'm gonna fall. Ashlyn!
That should do her. Bring it on, hiccups. Still here.
Yes.
They're next.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yep. Don't bite! You jerk! That doesn't have anything.
Did I bite him away?
No. I still have them. They hurt a lot.
Ouch. Alright. Fine, paper. Get out of the way. Alright.
No! Ashlyn!
Alright. Okay.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Did I scare him away?
No.
That's it. Whatever. What?